boys and girls. This week in writing, we're going to continue with the same topic that you used for your small moment writing. So if you remember, I wrote a story about Cape Cod, and I wrote all about going bike riding in Cape Cod. Now, I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm still writing about something that happened in Cape Cod, but I'm going to be teaching you about a different part of Cape Cod. I decided to really narrow down my ideas again, and this time I'm going to be teaching you about a beach in Cape Cod. I didn't want to pick all of Cape Cod to write about. That would be too much. So I made sure that I narrowed down my idea before I began writing. So take out your ideas list. You can look at it again, think about what your idea was, and pick what you're going to teach the reader about this week. Once you're looking at your ideas list, you can think about the topic that you wrote about last time, and now you can write about either the same small moment, but this time you're teaching the reader, or you can pick another area within your topic. So I'm writing about a different part of Cape Cod, and that's okay to do. The first thing I'm going to do is fill out the table of contents page. These are going to be the headings on each of my pages. I really need to think about what is it that I want to teach my reader about my topic. I decided that after my introduction, I want to teach my reader about what happens in the morning at Skakit Beach, what happens in the evening at Skakit Beach. I'll write my conclusion and have a glossary page. As I get ready to write my introduction, I want to make sure I'm going to grab my reader's attention, so I'm going to start with a question. And I wrote, where can you go to see ocean life and beautiful sunsets? You can see both at Skakit Beach on the bayside of Cape Cod. Now, I included a lot of information here. I included a label in my picture, I included a bold word in my writing, and I even included some information about where this beach is located. I'm going to make sure I add my heading at the top. This is the page where I'm going to write about what happens in the morning at Skakit Beach. I included a diagram of a crab because you do see a lot of crabs in the morning at Skakit Beach. So I included all of the different parts of the crab's body. And I wrote, people come from all over to go to Skakit Beach in the morning. The sandbars go out for about a mile and make tidal pools. There are fish and large crabs you can catch swimming in the tidal pools. My next heading says in the evening. I really thought it was important to talk about what happened in the morning and in the evening because the beach feels very different at different times of the day. So I wrote, in the evening, you can go to Skakit Beach. It is less crowded and you can see beautiful sunsets. Bring bug spray because it does get buggy at night. I also added a caption in my picture saying sunset happens after 8 p.m. in the summertime, and I included a bold word. I'm going to finish up my writing on the conclusion page. I have a map of Cape Cod, and I showed exactly where Skakit Beach is located in Orleans, Massachusetts, and showed that it's on Cape Cod Bay. I wrote, there are so many things to love about Skakit Beach. It is one of the most magical beaches I've visited. It's okay to end with a feeling because that shows your reader how special the place is to you. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a glossary page. All of those words that I made bold that were really important about my topic, I've now put on my glossary page. So I have Skakit Beach, tidal pools, and sunsets. I wrote a little bit about what each word means, and I showed a picture to show what it looks like. I have a map. I zoomed in on a picture of what happens in a tidal pool, and I include a picture of a sunset and showing the horizon line. So remember, with informational writing, your picture teaches you just as much as the writing does. So make sure you include lots of details in both your picture and your illustration. I can't wait to see your writing about the same topic that you started on last week and see what you write about.